And as the days of Noah, so also shall the coming of the Son of Adam be. For as they were in the days before the flood, eating and drinking, marrying and giving in marriage, until the day that Noah entered into the ark, and they did not know until the flood came and took them all away.
So shall the coming of the Son of Adam be.
Then two shall be in the field.
The one is taken, the one is left.
The one is taken and one is left.
Watch therefore, for you do not know what hour your master is coming.
Matthew 24, 37, 42. Yeah. Yeah. Living water, roots breathing. Stay woke, stay ready. Immersed in the water, I'm drenched in the ruish. They lounging in comfort, you pushing the clock. Tick tock, pressure don't stop. Yahusha prepare rooms, heaven unlocked. Oil in the vessel, I'm God in the flame. World moving reckless, I'm staying the same. Signs in the sky, work her like a blade. Every step pre-written, I walk unashamed.
They ask why the fire, why walk through the pain, why wait in the dark when the promise hasn't came. But pressure means purpose, delay means near. If he's closing the gap, redemption is here. I just can't give up now. I came too far from where my journey began. Nobody said this road would be easy. He didn't bring me this far to leave me.
Didn't leave me. You've been left behind, fear grip the church Monday. Preachers gave the rules, our priests be refined. Yeah. Fire over comfort, stake over crown. Resurrection ways when the saints stay bound. Yeah, I get it, you don't wanna suffer no more. But if you're taken, you don't wake the heavens door. Wilderness first, then promise fulfilled. Only those who endure get the kingdom revealed. They want glory without the ground, power without the way. But only the tried and tested stand at heaven.
I just can't give up now. I came too far from where my journey begun. Nobody said this road would be easy. He didn't bring me this far to leave me.
Didn't repeat last. Oil in the lamp. Pressure means proximity.
Didn't bring me this far, didn't leave me. Didn't bring me this far, didn't leave me. Didn't bring me this far, didn't leave me.
I'm still standing.
I